So in this lesson, we're going to talk about backwards reflections. And in fact, you're going to make your own backwards reflection presentation that you're going to later share with your classmates. So some of you might be familiar with this process. You probably should not have made a presentation about this before, and there's going to be some slight differences in terms of some of the questions and things like that. But basically, we're going to be doing something that will help you go beyond what we did the last step, right? You did some reflection questions to help you start digging a little deeper and figuring out what the real causes of a problem are. Backwards reflection is a way to get even deeper than that, to go a little farther back and really push you to reflect and think about all the different things happening and all the different things filling your cup. So let's go into that. So basically what we're trying to do is figure out how to turn off the faucet, right? Like how to avoid letting things fill up our cup. Again, when we blow up or shut down, we don't want that to happen again. So backwards reflection is a way to start identifying that. Now, the last kind of questions you practiced answering helped you get to the point of like basically thinking through a situation where, say a faucet is on, it is filling up your cup until overflowing. We want to figure out how to take a step back and before it's overflowed, turn off the faucet. Right? That's what we did last time. Now, backwards reflection, though, is one step beyond that, right? We need to go beyond just turning off the faucet, because what if it turns out that it wasn't the faucet that was the problem, it was that we have leaky pipes in the background, right? That's what backwards reflection is about. It's about not just focusing on the faucet, the right here and right now. It's going back, following the pipes back, and figuring out what the real issue is. So we can think about a situation when we get in a fight with a friend or something like that. We might think that it's whatever the person said at that time, and yes, so if they said something that kind of made us mad, that is something that overfilled our cup. But really, if you look back, right, maybe it was you didn't sleep the night before, or you got in a fight with your parents before you came to school, and you were already really full from that, and sort of what happened with your friend was the last straw, right? So we really want to differentiate. Basically, what happens with your friend is the faucet that's right in front of you. Yes, we want to stop that, so we need to clean it up with your friend, turn off that faucet. But again, if the leaky pipe is what was happening with your family before that, the fact that you're not sleeping, we need to take care of that. Because if we had taken care of that, then you and your friend wouldn't have gotten into it in the first place. And again, backwards reflection is a way to go further back and really deal with the real issues so that you prevent yourself from being in situations where your cup ever overflows, because we're looking at the stuff that happens early on. So that's what we're going to do today. And so now I'm just going to ask you to follow the steps along with me as we build our own backwards reflection.